Disclaimer, this interview is not sponsored by Sarang or any other media.
We got caught by the Institute Police or the Institute Security. I ran into a fence because I did not know that there was a fence and I thought that's the direction to run. So one memory that I have particularly is after Wilcom and all of us went to Western to party, and after while we were coming back, my friends and I we sat down in the middle of the football ground. And we were having a couple of drinks where when we got caught by the Institute Police or the Institute Security, I ran into a fence because I did not know that there was a fence and I thought that's the direction to run. But then I got caught and I was able to like talk the security into like letting me go because I was a final year student. But this happened like a month ago.
So the night before, the last night in Steve, the night before we vacated our hostels, me and my friend had an interesting plan. We always used to eye this back gate of Insta swimming pool. We wanted to sneak into it. It's locked during the night, so we wanted to sneak into the swimming pool and jump over the fence. So we finally decided that this is the last night we're going to do it. So we perfectly plan everything. We look for the security to move away. Then we covertly move in the shadows and actually manage to jump over the gate, get into the swimming pool, and even there's no security. So we happily decide to take a swim. 5 minutes in, we decide to take a pic, and that's when we realize my phone is in his pocket, and it's been there for the last 5 minutes. And yeah, thanks to it, I got a new phone.
He was there.
One experience which we could share with you guys, which is not illegal or things, is me personally, I had my artist in my own room. So I am from Sarang. So in my second year, I bought an artist from Hungary. And one of the most memorable experiences is that he did not get any accommodation. So he got an accommodation in Kaveri in my own room. So that's one of my experience I can share. Another would be...
What do you want to say?
Disclaimer, this interview is not sponsored by Sarang or any other media.
Randomly decided to climb a tank somewhere and got in trouble for it. The KV tank. Yeah, we went to the top, and then while we were coming down, these guards were coming towards the like entrance of the tank, and we were trying to get out, and then these guys escaped.
So
Yeah.
the story goes like we are a group and we're coming down the stairs, and these two went to check whether the guards are coming. So these two went to check whether the guards are coming, and they escaped. They ran. They left us and they went off. So no. Yeah. After hours of begging the police, the guard to let us go, he's like, "Okay, you guys can go."